Hey guys, it's Marcus Adkins with Orlando Microgreens, and today I am going to show you how to grow wheatgrass microgreens, step-by-step guide. So stick around, we'll get right to it. We're going to grow wheatgrass today. Now when we soak our wheatgrass seeds, first I will soak them for 12 hours, rinse it in the container. We use a jar with a mesh lid on it. You just rinse that out. And then 8 hours later, you're gonna rinse it again, dump out the water, and you can see the radicals are already coming out. These guys are ready to go into your medium. Now today I'm using a 10 by 10 trays. So I have 3 trays here, one with no holes, one with holes, and another one without holes. Now we got these through TrueLeaf. I'll put a link in the description. I do like the 10 by 10s, they work well for everything. We're gonna go ahead and fill this up about 1 inch to 1.5 inches, about halfway full of our cocoa coir. So we're just gonna go ahead and take that and just dump it out. Start working on it where you have a nice even layer. Now this was 3/4 of a cup. They swell up to almost double. Seems to be about the right amount for my environment. Now I'm just gonna water that in so it all soaks in real nice. And then we're gonna go ahead and put the tray with no holes down in there. All right, so I'm gonna leave the weight on it for a couple days. See you then. So it is day 7 of our wheatgrass grow, and we are going to harvest that today. That is coming along nicely. It's really tall. I definitely could have got away with the harvesting this yesterday. All right, so let's see what we have. You want to get down there almost as close to the seeds as you can get. Got 145 grams of wheatgrass out of that. Look at that. Well, that